Hey guys, so today my car hasn't been acting up well. It started backfiring really loud when I was driving, and then upon acceleration it started lagging and almost like stalling out, and it wasn't running right. So I plugged in the computer. The check engine light started flashing, which is a sign of a misfire, like a serious one. And then I plugged in the computer and it said that cylinders 1 and 3 were misfiring. So the most simple solution, like where you want to start out, would be your spark plugs. So I bought new spark plugs and we're gonna change them out real quick. So you're gonna start, come here. So you're gonna start, you might want to unplug this little plug right here just to make it easier. And there's your number 1, 2, 3, and 4, your coils. So you're gonna want to take a 10mm and get that out. So if it's not the spark plugs, if you guys change the spark plugs and it's not that, then it could be the coil pack, the ignition coil. And if it's not, if you change the ignition coil and it's not that, then it could be your fuel injector. But that's a pain in the ass. Shit. All right. That looks good. Let me see, you might want to unplug them. This shit doesn't unplug. Okay. Alright, this one looking shitty. This one looks dirty, I don't know why. That was even worse. Yeah, I know. Fuck it. Damn, this one's tight. Damn, it's not supposed to be that tight. There we go. And by the way, guys, the error code that I was getting was P0300, and then the subsection 1 and 3.
Yo se voy a sacar el camioncito de la basura.
Sorry, guys. Zoom in here. Are you getting tired from holding the phone up?
No.
Oh. Alright guys, so we're just gonna take out the other 3 and we'll see you back in a bit. Alright guys, so here are the old spark plugs. They look tough. These look really tough. I'm gonna get the new ones real quick. And these is what the new ones look like. Look at that little gap. Hopefully these work. These are supposed to be OEM. They're NGK's laser iridium ones. We're gonna put these in, put some electric grease, and then see what happens. Great, that's not supposed to happen. I don't have the specific torque for these, so just torque them until a little tight. Don't overdo it. So now we're gonna do the rest with the other three, and then we'll see you again. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna add a little dab of dielectric grease to the heads of the coils. You don't have to, but it's a little better. It helps, you know, it doesn't really hurt. All right, and now we're gonna put the coils back in, see how the car runs. Which one is this one? I also don't know the specific torque spec for these either, but torque them down until they're tight. Don't overdo it again. It's not even going in. There we go. Man, this engine is a pain to work on. It's like slanted to the back. Freaking plastic is breaking everywhere. And then where's the sensor that I unplugged? Oh, here it is. All right, well, let's see if it turns on. All right, guys, so we're gonna take it for a drive. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's not misfiring. I see the check engine light is on, but that's probably the codes that I haven't deleted. I mean, it sounds okay. It's not idling rough. Seems great. Wow, it's doing, I think it actually worked. Oh my God. Thankfully something goes right today. God damn, first I failed my test and now this. Wow, it's doing pretty good. I think it's even idling better than before. All right, hold on. It's idling pretty good. It's not jumping anymore how it was before. Look at the idle. With the camera, bro, not with you. Oh my goodness, bruh. Let me see. Come on, you got this, baby. Ooh, it's not rough. Oh my God, it's not idling rough anymore. All right, let's see what happens if we keep driving. There it goes. I think it misfired. Or it's on it. But it feels definitely way better than it did before. I'm gonna delete those codes and then I'm gonna see if the check engine light comes back on. Let me make a U-turn. But it's doing it way better. Like it's actually accelerating now. Did it again. Damn, I don't know. I don't know if it fixed it or not, because like now it's like doing it, but it's not as bad as it was before. them, and then we'll delete the codes and see if they pop back up. Hopefully they don't. All right, guys, so we went out for a drive. It drives better. It's definitely not doing what it was doing before as often, but under hard acceleration, like when the boost is around 10 to 12 psi, the car starts to misfire, and then the check engine light, which should be right here, starts blinking. We went for a quick drive, and under hard acceleration it blinked 3 times. Like, it blinked on and off, on and off, on and off, then it stopped, then it did it again, and then it stopped, and then it did it again. And the car does jerk, start jerking back and forth. It almost stalled. I don't know, I put it in neutral, and the engine almost stalled itself. But it's idling way better. But I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know. All right, guys, so real quick, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna switch cylinder 1 for cylinder 2, cylinder 3 for cylinder 4, and I'm gonna see if that causes cylinder 2 and 4 to misfire. If that happens, then I know it's the coils. If not, we'll get there when it happens. Okay, guys, so as I said before, cylinders 1 and 3 were having a misfire, so I changed the ignition coil from 1 to 2, from 3 to 4. I took it out, and now supposedly cylinder 4 is misfiring. I don't know about 2. It didn't say nothing about 2. So what I did is that I came here and I bought the same Duralast ignition coils, and I bought 2 of them because I don't have money for 4. So now we're gonna put ignition coil 2, ignition coil 4. We'll take it out. If it misfires again, I'm really out of luck. Take it to the mechanic to see what's wrong with it. If it's something I can fix, I'll do it myself. If it's not, I'll let them handle it. But I always like to do things by myself, learn how to do new things. Hopefully it works. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so I just took it out. I was driving it normally, and then I was gassing it really hard, going through all the gears, and it works. It doesn't misfire, no codes, no check engine light. So it looks like it was really just the ignition coils that had gone bad, those 2 ignition coils. Hopefully this video helps. Well, you know, thanks for watching, but yeah, guys, we did it, we fixed it.